If I woke up tomorrow and lost everything, my businesses, my income, my home, my platforms, I wouldn't panic because I already know the exact blueprint of what I would do to become a millionaire all over again. Most people think I'm just successful because of luck. They think I had money to start with, I had some special connections or rich parents. When in reality, I started with $0, zero connections, zero handouts, and zero excuses. If you build your life correctly, your habits, your discipline, your mindset, your relationship with God, you could take everything away from me and I could still rise again. Today, I'm gonna walk you through step by step the exact process I would follow to rebuild my life from zero. This is the 10-step blueprint of becoming a millionaire. So whether you're starting from scratch or starting over, let's go. If I lost everything, the first thing that I would do is fix my mindset. I wouldn't even be thinking about my bank account yet. Because when you are starting from zero, your daily thoughts and habits and your beliefs will determine everything that happens next. You cannot begin your journey feeling desperate because desperate decisions create desperate outcomes. Instead of operating in fear, panic, or pressure, you gotta make sure you're operating in faith, clarity, and intention as best as you can. These are the questions I want you to ask yourself. What habits have been holding me back? And this could be the scrolling, the procrastination, the doubting yourself, the wrong people. Be honest with yourself. Number 2 is what habits can move me forward? Even the small things like having better self-control throughout your day, watching real educational content, reading, waking up a little earlier, and choosing discipline over comfort. Question number 3 is who do I want to become this moment moving forward? Not the old you, not the version of you shaped by your past, but the version of yourself that you would be proud of. Ask yourself, who do I want to become from this moment forward? Success starts inside of you way before it even shows up outside of you. Change your mindset first and your life will follow. Step number 2 is I want you to cut out every single distraction immediately. If I were to restart my life, I am being ruthless with my time. Everybody out here wants success, but nobody wants to give up what's secretly destroying them. For me, these are my instant eliminations. No nights out, no clubbing, no drunk weekends, no toxic friendships, no gossip, no aimless scrolling, no situationships, no draining people, and no environments that are gonna pull you backwards. Distractions can feel harmless, like, oh, it's not that serious. Oh no, it's not that serious. But the truth is, distracted people don't build. Distracted people procrastinate. Distracted people waste years thinking that it's minutes. You cannot elevate your life while entertaining what destroys your discipline. Shift your focus right now on what matters. Imagine your future kids someday asking you what you did all those years. You should be proud of that answer. Next up is I want you to pick a skill that makes money fast. And I'm gonna give you a bunch of ideas today. Not 10 business ideas all at once, one. I would pick one high income skill and spend about 2 hours a day learning about it. And obviously more time if you have it. Examples of this: content creation or faceless content creation, UGC, digital products, video editing, an online store. And guess what, guys? All of these ideas that I just mentioned, 100% free courses are on my YouTube channel for you guys when you are ready to start learning them. All I ask in exchange for the free education that people usually charge thousands of dollars for is smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and education videos for you guys, just like this. Once you pick one of those, I want you guys to jump into it. You're not gonna know everything, you're not gonna understand everything, but I want you to just jump in. Practice is better than procrastination. For example, people underestimate digital products or they just overcomplicate it. It's one of the biggest business models this year. And I personally love them because they're so easy to build and they're great for beginners. You can create an ebook, a guide, a template, a mini course. Anybody can make that. And you can make it straight from your phone. Something small, something valuable, something that just solves one problem for one specific type of person. You can price them between $7 to $50. And it's gonna go up depending on how involved this is. There's literally AI tools right now that can literally build your digital product for you, create marketing content for you, help you pick your niche, and so much more. I'll put these resources down in my description box below for you guys. So you guys can see by leveraging even the power of these AI tools out here nowadays, it's literally so easy to get started. It's more easy now than ever before. The next step of what I would do if I had to start over is I would create content every single day, even with 0 followers. And you don't even have to show your face to do that. I even started completely faceless when I restarted my entrepreneurship journey in 2020. Content is free to post. It builds trust and it opens doors. Even with nothing to show for, I still have my voice, my story, my perspective, and the internet. So I'd be just documenting my journey, honestly. Something like, here's how I'm rebuilding my life from scratch. People nowadays love authenticity and connecting with other people. Your story is your power. It is not about showing a perfect life anymore, guys. People want realness. Social media now is not what social media was 10 years ago. Step 6 is make money before just trying to scale. If I lost everything, I wouldn't try to build this massive business all over again. Most beginners get stuck because you guys see my life now and you're trying to build this giant empire that I now have, and you forget that I started with small little business models. It's literally the most random ones that can make you the most money. I personally know video editors in India, Pakistan, Europe, all over the world that are making thousands of dollars monthly just by creating thumbnails for people and editing videos. Sometimes it's the smallest little ideas and expertise that you can learn all for free that you can provide for other people. So instead of trying to blow up and create this empire, I would be focusing on one thing. What can you do or solve for somebody else? And really living in the internet world to kind of see and connect with others, which we'll talk about in a little bit. If you can make your first $1 online, you can make $1 million. I will never forget how happy I was when I made my first dollar online, because then I realized I can make something online. This is possible. So you stop hesitating and you realize this is real. When you make your first $100 online, it's gonna show you that you can replicate this process and that it's not luck. You did something that worked. When you make your first $1,000 online, this is where you start to understand leverage. You begin refining your skills, improving your offer, and figuring out what people really want from you. And at this point, you have a skill, an offer, proof you can make money, and real experience. So now, with this mindset, you're already thinking like an entrepreneur. So set your goals small, and your small goals are gonna lead you to your big ones. Focus on the small wins at the beginning of your journey. Step number 7 is building a digital network. And you could kind of call this as making friends online. Success is not built alone. Even though you can obviously be a lone wolf in this game and not like have a bunch of connections or make a bunch of online connections, by just talking to people online and just kind of creating like a little community online, this can really help you a lot. If I lost everything right now, I would join an online community, comment on other users in my niche, just try to like find other people in the niche that I select and just kind of like their videos, comment on their videos. You naturally want to do that anyways. And most importantly, provide value to people before asking for anything. People will find you too. It's not like you have to go out and like search for connections. No, like that's not what I mean. People can find you too. You don't need wealthy friends. Obviously it helps. I didn't have any in the beginning. You just need growth-minded friends that are in this game too. And if you don't have people like that yet, or if you literally do not have any connections or a mentor or anything, really just people that like, you feel like you're just so alone starting this, that's actually why I created Viral Wealth. My community full of people that are dedicated to growing online, discipline, and online business. I have dedicated coaches inside to help you win. So definitely join if you haven't already. I'll put that in the description box below for you guys. That's also something that people usually charge thousands of dollars for, but I was like, I got you guys. So step number 8 is I would reinvent my identity. If I lost everything, I wouldn't try to become the old version of myself again. She already failed, but it's never a failure, always a lesson. I would become stronger, wiser, more disciplined, more intentional, and more rooted in my faith. Step number 9 is this. Stay consistent even when nothing works yet. When I restarted my entrepreneurship journey in 2020, my first month, I literally made no sales. And I remember going to my friend in school, because I was in college also at the time, full-time college student, working also as a dental assistant. And I went to school and I remember saying, oh my gosh, like, why did I start this? Like, I kind of feel stupid. And I literally almost gave up. But I knew I could do this. And I stayed consistent, even though when I had my doubts. Consistency built everything. And that second month after starting my online business, I literally had a $30,000 month because of one viral TikTok. And if you guys know, if you've been rocking with me and Baddie in Business since the beginning, you guys know I documented this as well. If I lost everything today, I would do the same. I would show up, learn, adjust what I'm doing, and repeat. You cannot lose if you refuse to stop. Step number 10, my final step for you guys today, is I would trust God's timing over my own. This is so important, you guys, because the world is out here always saying, manifest it, hustle harder, work harder. They're doing better than you. What are you doing? But guess what? I know the truth. You cannot manifest what God has not planned for you yet, but you can build what He intended. He elevated my life when I was prepared, not when I felt deserving, or not when I was hustling like crazy. If I lost everything, I would trust Him and His will. even better than before. And even if that didn't mean the same amount of wealth, or even if that didn't mean the same exact life that I'd be living now. I'm gonna leave you guys with this. This is your reminder that you are not starting from nothing. God has already given you everything you need to succeed. You literally woke up this morning, you're healthy, you can do it. You're starting with wisdom, strength, resilience, and a God that never left you. Even if you don't believe in him, like I definitely didn't when I even started my entrepreneurship journey. If you feel behind, broken, and ashamed, stop thinking that you're too late. You are not disqualified, and you are not forgotten, and you are not done. Sometimes God lets everything fall apart, not to punish you, but to rebuild you on a stronger foundation than you ever had before. We all have setbacks in life. You may have lost the job, lost the relationship, lost the confidence, but you did not, and you can never lose your purpose, and nobody can take that from you. So if you ever lose everything, remember, like I said, you still have time. Every single day you're waking up. You still have purpose. God has a plan for you, and your comeback story is already written. Now walk into it. You have all the education you need 100% free on my YouTube channel. I believe in you, I support you, and I want to see you win. So start learning now if you haven't already. If you don't know where to start, go to my Start Here playlist on my YouTube channel right at the top, and it will even help you guys to find the right online business model to start for you. Wishing you guys all the best, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.